Are you in the distillery business and looking to thrive in today's booming craft spirits market? With the industry experiencing unprecedented growth, staying competitive can be a real challenge. But fear not. There's a solution that can transform your business and propel you ahead of the competition. EBISFRAME Intelligent ERP. Why choose EBISFRAME? Let's delve into its key features. Tailor your bill of materials. BOM. For efficient production. Minimizing wastage. Keep your operations running smoothly by minimizing downtime and maximizing production output through effective equipment maintenance. Maintain consistent quality and effortlessly comply with industry regulations. Enhance product accountability and quality control with robust batch tracking. Optimize resource allocation. Reduce lead times and enhance production efficiency. Seamlessly track expiry dates across the supply chain. Prevent stock obsolescence and ensure product freshness. But that's not all. EBISFRAME Intelligent ERP goes beyond the basics. It leverages advanced technologies like business intelligence, robotic process automation, the Internet of Things, and mobile applications. The distillery and alcohol manufacturing industry is evolving rapidly, and EBISFRAME Intelligent ERP is here to help you stay at the forefront. Say goodbye to inefficiencies and hello to enhanced productivity, compliance, and profitability. Empower your business and elevate your future with EBISFRAME Intelligent ERP. Visit our website and get started today.